Hey, what's up, guys? I want to take you a quick tour here on another basement we just wrapped up. Basically, we just got one big open room here. We have some pump there in the corner. This over here, we built a washer and dryer utility room. We use these three columns in the middle to create this counter. Nice wide open TV space here and huge couch. Great, just additional square footage to the home. Nice addition here. And really cool luxury vinyl floor. That book shelf right there is actually a hidden door. The whole thing opens, including the cabinets. This one too, we started doing these are double hidden bookshelf doors. Let me show you what that looks like. This one opens, and then this one opens as well. So I'll back up here and you can take a look. But pretty cool. We're starting to do those doubles now. Anyhow, another awesome, great finished basement. Thanks, guys.